If you have any of this old wood lying around and you have raised beds, put this in the bottom of them. Cover them with these leaves and then cover that with compost and plant directly into it. You're welcome. Nature gives more than it takes, except for us. It's all wired this way for a reason. Leaves, grass as the seasons change. You'll have a fantastic circle of life. Grass in the summer, leaves in the fall. 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 Most of these leaves will go back beneath these trees. This grass was cut and laid here back in August. The leaves will go on top of it. More grass, more leaves, more grass, more leaves. You can still see the decomposing grass here. The leaves provide a safe place for all kinds of creatures as they overwinter. They provide shelter for butterflies, moths, bees, bumblebees, caterpillar, lightning bugs. It's a safe place for them to survive the winter. Well, some of them, because it also provides shelter for salamanders, lizards, toads. They are an important part of the soil food web. They provide shelter and food for spiders, beetles, and on up the food chain, birds. I want to show you a couple of examples of some things nature did all by herself. This is by the creek. Sand, silt, clay, and leaves. No gardener had a hand in this. 100% Mother Nature. These beds are teeming with life. And these leaves will protect it. And when spring comes, we'll just lay a layer of compost right on top of these leaves. These are hugelkultur. And that whole bottom layer right there, I filled that entire thing with leaves and firewood. There's a bunch of big old oak trees in this yard. They've got lichen all over them. And as they age, these big limbs come down once in a while. So the property owner has ended up with this big stack of firewood, and now it's too far gone to burn. This is perfect to use in hugelkultur beds. So I bet if I got in there with a pitchfork and turned it all over, by this time all of that wood that's in that lower level is probably rotten. I hope so. Basically, I keep them off the pavement and the sidewalk and the driveway. But everywhere else, anywhere there's bare soil, lift the jasmine out of the leaves, give them a little shake. And the leaves fall away. So So you've got your plant. All of the yellow will be gone. But everything that is bare dirt, as you can see, is covered. It's nature's plan. These guys are alive. And in the winter, they need a jacket. In this case, they'll hold moisture in, and they'll protect all of these tender roots from everything that's coming this winter. These leaves have been allowed to fall down here and rot. And as you can see, the last year's leaves, they're gone. Nature's jacket, y'all. There's stuff in there that is a fungicide. Whoa, whoo! When you throw away your leaves, you're throwing away your fungi population. They're very important to the health of your soil, very important. Keeping the leaves on the ground, covering the dirt, allowing them to rot, all of that keeps carbon in the soil where it belongs. Every little bit counts. If you want to reduce your footprint, using your leaves is a great place to start. It's a simple mantra. Grass in the summer, leaves in the fall. 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 Thanks for watching. See ya.
I no longer want to roam. Set the table, 'cause I know that I'm running out of road. I wandered for miles all around. Dawn had left me sunset bound. The only time I was ever found was when I got lost.